So these are the things about human resource staffing. Last one from your textbook, chapter 11, evaluation and control. So based on your implementation of the strategy that you have identified earlier, it's time for you to evaluate whether those strategies they went well according to what you have planned earlier or not. Evaluation and control process. If you can recall the presentation from the previous week, hey, that your friends, they present the steps here. What are those steps? How important they are. Controls follow strategy. The same thing. Can you see? Not only the structure, not only the way that you deal with your employees, even the way that you try to measure, that you try to control the operations of your firm, they must be consistent with the strategy that you pursue. Types of control. What kind of control mechanism that you can use? Input, output, or behavior. How can you apply this kind of control? How important they are? Why we need this kind of control mechanism? Why? Because we want to make sure that our strategy, what we have planned, it works well with our companies. Okay? Primary measures of corporate performance. Financial measures like ROI, ROE, EPS, those things, okay, from the ratios that we have learned. Apart from financial measures, the basic one, we have balanced scorecard as well. Not many of you talk about this thing, but again, one aspect that you need to know. Balanced scorecard focus on 4 dimensions here. Financial aspect, customer, internal business perspective, innovation and learning. So that I can see what it means by having this kind of balanced scorecard to measure the performance of the firm. Apart from these general measures, we have specific measures for divisional and functional performance. Not only for the broad level, at the corporate level, for each functional activities, we have some kind of specific measure, like setting up profit center, those things, okay, to measure the performance. Again, what are those important international measurement issues? Let's say in terms of the standard requirements for your manufacturing activities. I think you have come across the word ISM, okay, different version. So that represents some kind of the standard, the measurement here. For those countries, there might be some kind of differences that you have to take into consideration. Problems in measuring performance. What kind of problems or obstacles facing you? So these are the things that you need to know. Okay? And this is all from your textbook, from chapter 1 up to chapter 11. How do you feel?